Relish and Cherish. Now today I'm here with my friend Viditi, who's recently visited Thailand. So she went to Bangkok and Pattaya, and as we all know, Thailand is like a shopper's delight. So she's going to help us know where to shop from and what all she got in this Bangkok lifestyle haul, Bangkok / Pattaya lifestyle haul. So
Let's get started.
okay.
So most of the Indian tour operators take the tourists to Indira and MBK Mall, which I personally found it to be very overrated and not so worth it. So I found a few places which I'll be mentioning in the video where I got good deals and they were exclusive stuff.
Okay, so basically Bangkok and Thailand in general is like a wholesale market. So some shops do bargain, but most of them, like they get really irritated if we go and bargain. So the whole key to it is you buy in bulk, so it's a wholesale market and you get a good deal. So I think the best thing for you to do is go there in groups, like with your cousins, with your friends, and I think it's one of the best destinations for an all-girls trip. Okay, so before we move on to the haul, I'd just like to mention that in May 2016, the conversion rate from bahts, that's the currency of Thailand, to Indian rupees is approximately 1 baht is equal to 2 rupees. So we're going to mention all the prices in terms of bahts. So if you want to convert it into Indian rupees, just multiply it by 2 and just double the price and you're good to go. So the first place that we're going to cover is the Platinum Mall in Bangkok. So yeah.
Let's get started. What do you pick first?
Okay, so this is like a really cute pink travel pillow, which is like good for neck rest. Yeah. So this is for
250 bahts. Yeah. So that's
250 bahts, like that's like 500 rupees, and I think I remember spotting this somewhere in Mumbai, somewhere in Alpha or somewhere where it was 1,000 bucks or something. So this is like a really good deal, okay? And now moving on to this is so cute. I can't wait to go to a place where it is cold and snowing and all of that, and you can just
for 150
wear
bahts.
this is for 150 bahts, yeah. Look at this, man. This is so awesome. I'm so lucky to have a friend like her who's gone to Bangkok and shopped so much for me as well. Okay. Then this is a tissue box, and how cute is this? Do you notice the sunflowers on top? So we really like to stock all these nice pretty things in our room, and yeah, that's just us.
Just again for 150 bahts.
150 bahts, okay.
Then what we have
Now we have this trinket box which says Glam Girl, and you can just fill it
Store
with
your
some accessories and random
everything
things.
from Bangkok.
Yeah, okay, everything inside is again from Bangkok. We'll probably have to do a separate accessories or jewelry haul, but otherwise it's gonna take like forever.
This is for again 160 bahts.
Okay. Yeah. Now this is very important for us girls who like our privacy. So we don't want anybody to enter our room and you just hang this outside your room and people will be like, okay, let's just not disturb her.
So 100 baht again.
100 bahts, okay. 200 bucks and you don't get disturbed. What else? Okay. Now there are these cute umbrellas. They have like a really nice print. And yeah, one is mine and one is Lizzie's. So we can't wait for the monsoons because we want to use this.
Just press it.
Oh.
Over.
Okay.
No. Wait.
How do you
Wait,
open
I
it?
will open it for you.
Okay, I'll take this. So yeah, can't wait for the monsoons. Yeah, so these are basically these Paris print pinky kind of umbrellas
With a round
with an apple
thing.
jar. Yeah, and these are for
These are for, I don't remember. It was how much?
I think you were mentioning that you got 6 of these for
100,000 bahts.
Yeah.
So that comes to calculate.
Just divide 1000 by 6 if you're good at maths. If you're not, use a calculator. Okay. So then these are the umbrella covers. Yeah. Now coming to the lot of bags that she's got from Platinum Mall in Bangkok. So this is a really nice and casual haversack, okay, with a really nice print.
And that was for 150 baht.
This is for 150 bahts. This is again a really smart haversack, and this is for
450.
250 bahts, 500 bahts, and you get this. You don't even get a decent wallet for 500 bucks in Mumbai. Like, okay. Now this is a really classy and chic kind of a green handbag.
So
And
300 baht. 600 annual.
yeah, right. Now this is like a tan colored office bag, and like
Ready
you
to
can
wear.
either use it this way, okay, or you can just unbutton it.
I have a zip.
Yeah,
There's a zip to it.
and you can have a zip to it, so you can just zip it up and use it that way. So it's like a really smart everyday carry-on bag for work or for college, whatever's applicable to
So
you.
that's 300 baht again.
300 baht, okay. And this is a really nice printed pink sling bag.
And this was for 200. Yeah.
200 baht.
Very good deal.
And
And
yeah,
that's my
this,
favorite.
yeah, this is actually, we're gonna fight over this bag. Who's gonna keep it, okay? So just show them how it
Yeah,
opens.
so you can just, you have 2 compartments to it.
Yeah, so this is
Uh,
the first compartment.
And this is another one. It looks very designer-ish.
Yeah, and I think this is one of the exclusive bags. I've not seen a similar design back here.
And that's just for
So-
250 baht. I think 500.
500 rupees, yeah. You're mine. You're mine, I'm sorry. Okay,
So-
so I think we are done with our Platinum Mall haul. Moving on to the next mall. Okay, so the next place from where she got like quite a lot of goodies is the
Home decor.
home decor goodies is the Chatuchak market in Bangkok. Now the Chatuchak market is basically a weekend market.
So that's just open for Saturdays and Sundays.
okay, and yeah, like so.
Yes, it was a very huge weekend market, and we actually got lost while finding our way back to the exit gate. And we didn't have much time to explore the market, so I've just got few things which I
And she
enjoyed.
still has got quite a lot, so I don't know if she would have got time to explore the market. She would have
That is
probably got the
really
whole
everything.
market.
Yeah, so let's get started.
Yeah. So now.
Love. Let's start with love.
Okay, we start with love. So now this is something that, you know, I mean,
Just
probably if you're a
random.
guy and you're watching this video and you've reached till now, you'll find this wannabe, but it's okay, we choose to ignore. All girls will seriously love it, and so this is something that you can keep by your bedside, and yeah, it lights up like this. Now, right now it's looking a little dull, but if you kind of switch off your lights and you know, you keep this, it's
Oh.
cool.
Pretty.
Yeah.
So I'm just planning to hang it up as soon as possible now.
Yeah, so yes. This is for how much?
This was for 180 baht.
180 baht, so
And it's so
into
cute.
2, okay, rupees.
And now
And,
fairy lights with this.
Okay, yeah, so there are like 2 sets of fairy lights. Now, I think she is going to hang it by her bedside, right?
One bedside and one, I think, in my balcony. I don't know.
Yeah, so it's
Yeah.
like Diwali all year round. So these are the pretty fairy lights. Now they've kind of entangled, but you got the
Yeah.
idea, right? Like these are
So
like
it
the
was just
heart-shaped ones, and these are like
uh,
this ball.
400 baht. Yeah.
Both for 400.
Yeah, 200 each.
Okay.
So yeah.
So yes. Now this is one more really nice thing that you can hang by your window or
Yeah, just outside.
just anywhere in your room. So
This is for how much? 80 baht. Yeah, cage.
yeah, this is for 80 baht. Now these are just some candles. These are like colored candles in really nice pots.
And they
Um,
smell amazing.
Oh, they are scented candles.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, they are. So can't wait to light them.
So I got 400 baht. Yeah.
Okay, 300-400 baht. So
And my
and
pink candle.
yeah, so these are like pink candles which you can just you know, place them in some candle lamp if you have at home, and yeah,
And
it's
they're
always
pink.
nice to have some candles by your bedside and just feel
And it's
romantic.
pink.
And it's pink, you know.
So this is just for 30 baht again, the whole thing.
Yes. Now this is something which we generally never use because we are like the wet wipes generation. But
they
these are
were
so cute
pretty, so I
yeah.
had to get it.
So 2 are for her and 2 are for me.
Yeah.
So
So
these
these
are
are
hankies basically,
For.
and these are for. Now we've written everything down
Yeah,
for you
250.
guys, okay, so that you can compare and know the difference how cheap this stuff is.
250 baht. 5 I got. I don't know. I misplaced one, I guess. Yeah. So then the
Yeah. Now one thing that is left is this poofy. So basically you can store things in this.
and
Okay?
also sit on it.
Yeah, and you can also sit on it.
And it's so
And
cute.
we've tried and tested this. It can take our weight, so it's really sturdy. Like seriously. Okay. So yeah, that's about it for.
That was for.
That was for
200 baht.
200 baht, 400 rupees, and
And we're done.
we're done with the Chatu Chakma. Okay, so now we're done with our Bangkok haul. Now this is just a mini Pattaya haul because most of the stuff is from Bangkok. And apart from the things that we showed in this video, she's also got a lot of clothes, like crazy amount of clothes. I think she's probably revamped her whole wardrobe. And she's
And
also, yeah, shoe shopping is one of the highlights. But if we
Not
show
big
that over here, it's going to be like even longer than Jodha Akbar. So
Just cut it.
yeah, so just cut it. Now, all of these things are from
City Central Mall.
Central Mall, Pattaya.
Yeah.
So this is just a nice wallet with a teddy bear out here. So that's the highlight of the wallet. So yeah, this wallet is, I think
75 baht. It's so cheap.
okay, it's for 75 baht. That's 150 rupees. Now these two are like so cute. Now this is like a fancy organic soap, and it smells so good.
I can't use it. I can't open it. It's so pretty.
Yeah, it is.
I just keep it in my bathroom. I just feel happy.
And it is for.
This is for 79 baht.
Okay, so
Yeah.
that's a little expensive for a soap, but
Single
it's
piece.
okay. We got everything else so cheap, so you can afford to splurge on one thing. This is also another soap, okay, which looks like a jasmine. I think the flower is called plumeria or something,
And you can
and it
hang it.
smells so
Divine.
good. So if you are like us and you don't feel like spoiling it, you can just hang it somewhere in your bathroom, and your bathroom will smell floral.
That was, I think I got 7 of them for 250 baht.
Oh, so
Different colors.
she got 7 different flowers.
Yeah.
7 different flowers for 250 baht. So that is a good deal. And yeah. So this is basically a really nice lens case that you will not find at any of your optician shops. And yeah, so basically you open it like this. You have a mirror right there. You have lenses. You also have
You
this
can store
bottle,
a solution in this. If you
Okay.
travel somewhere,
and you have
just
this
to pick it up.
just to
your
pick up the
lens.
lenses. So this is so cute, and
Fancy.
it's fancy, and you can easily carry it in your purse. So this is nice, and this is for.
This is for 180. Yeah, for 200 baht, I bargained for 180.
Okay, so she at least managed to bargain for this lens case. And yeah, this is the last thing of the haul, and this is something branded. The first thing that's branded, because you get branded stuff even
Here
here.
also.
So you need to go for the stuff that is exclusive to Thailand. So yeah, this is the Victoria's Secret.
Gift edition.
Yeah. So this is basically a perfume. This is a travel perfume, and this is a body lotion of the same fragrance, and this is
Sweet
the
charm.
Secret Charm range.
Secrets.
And how much is it for?
990 baht. That's 2000.
Okay. Okay. So yeah, that's about it. That's about the whole Thailand haul. Majorly a Bangkok haul and that mini Pattaya haul that we just showed you right now. So hope you've liked this video, and if you want more such haul videos, then don't forget to give this one a big thumbs up. And yeah, if you too have some good suggestions about where to shop from Bangkok, Pattaya, Thailand in general, then comment in the comment section down below. And the best thing that you can do is to subscribe to my channel if you already haven't, by hitting on the red subscribe button down below. Bye.
Bye. God bol diya.